Hello friends and welcome back to my wonderful channel. And today we are opening up Kinder Joy and Kinder Surprise. So it's been a long time since I haven't made a video with these two. I miss this so much. But good thing it's New Year, so we bought this as my New Year as the present of New Year. So not only that, I have more gifts for New Year and for Christmas as well. Ooh, and I have giant sneakers, normal sized sneakers. And here is the mini Snickers. Oh my gosh, look at them. Look at the comparison. Dang it! Okay, look at them. See? So you may be wondering that, are we gonna do another big versus small challenge? No, obviously not. We're just gonna open up Kinder Joy and Kinder Surprise. Okay, guys. And here's my snack. Okay. LlamaBean! FluffBean! What are you doing here? LlamaBean and FluffBean came to watch. You crazy little llamas! So, do you know what are we gonna do? Do you know what are we gonna do in this video today? Oh, Fluff! Oh, Llama! Okay, guys. So, LlamaBean and FluffBean exactly remembered. We're gonna open up the Kinder Joy and Kinder Surprise. That's exactly right, LlamaBean and FluffBean. Oh, they exactly remembered. Oh, look at them. They're so excited. They can't even blink right now. So cute. Okay, guys, so let's open first Kinder Joy. I haven't opened this in so long. 3, 2, 1. Ow! I don't like today! I broke it, but that's okay. We never give up. Okay, so shall we go for the toys first? What's that, Fluff? FluffBean said that she wants to try the chocolate. What about you, LlamaBean? Oh, LlamaBean said that the toy goes first. FluffBean, you know, we should have fun first before snacking, okay? Okay, Fluff agrees. We eat the chocolate later after we unwrap these toys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What's this? Look at this, guys. LlamaBean and FluffBean. Oh. Look at this, guys. Applaydu. Okay, number one instruction. Oh, I think I get it. Right, I think we probably have this toy before. Oh no, not yet. Cause look at this, it's a Christmas edition. Okay, so insert the red thingy. Wait, how does it work? Like that? Oh, okay. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna get this small polar bear. Oh my gosh, FluffBean is about to pass out. Okay, now insert it right. Let's read this again. Like that. Oh. Okay, guys. Now. Oh, it's a Blastoise. Oh my gosh, it's not attaching. There we go. 3, 2, 1, lounge. Ugh. I don't like today. Dang it. Oh, come on. Launch. Oh, he flew off. Okay, guys. So now it's time to open up Kinder Surprise Egg. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, this is so satisfying. I haven't done this in so long. Oh my gosh, and we still have an orange capsule. Let's see what's inside. Oh my gosh, what is this? FluffBean and LlamaBean likes Kinder Surprise eggs and Kinder Joy eggs. Oh, I get it. It's a turtle. What kind of turtle? Okay, guys, here's the instructions. And here's the poster of Applaydu. So when you scan your toy, then eventually it will go in the game. And guys, if you have this game called Applaydu, then you can play with it. Now, first step, buy a Kinder Joy or a Kinder Surprise egg. Now, open up your toy, assemble it. Next, you want to get your phone and scan it, or any device that you have. I prefer iPhone 14, but we're not talking about iPhones right now. We're unwrapping the Kinder Joy and Kinder Surprise. So, once you scan it, then it will be in the game. Okay, guys, so let's assemble this. Oh my gosh. Is there another piece? Where did it go? Oh, there we go. Is there another piece? Oh my gosh. Dang it! Oh. Oh my gosh, where did it go? Come on! I don't like today! Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh yeah, I lost another piece. Oh my gosh. Come on. Oh, it's right there. Guess I'm blindsided. Okay, now we have 2 feet for the turtle. Now we connect them both. Okay, now let's put the turtle's shell on top. Wait, where does it go again? Here. And there we go. Come on. Come on, attach already. There we go. Yay! We have a new pet turtle. LlamaBean and FluffBean likes it. What's that, Fluff? FluffBean said that she wants to stroke it. Okay, Fluff, you can go ahead and stroke it. Okay, next, LlamaBean, you can stroke it. Super cute. Okay, guys. So remember in the previous video, we made a push pop 2000. See? And you can use this for self-defense against any creeps or walking deads. Oh, it's becoming round. Let's give it a little lick until it becomes officially sharp. To make a weapon, you need to lick them until they become super sharp. Now tape both of the caps, and you can even switch them like this. Look at the faces, guys. And here we have the original push pop. Here it's still sharp. And look at the face, guys. Okay, guys, candy break. Okay, let's test the Kinder Joy first. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh my gosh, I haven't had this in so long. LlamaBean and FluffBean missed this too. Okay, guys, so we have... Dang it! So we have 2 vapor balls. So I'll feed them to LlamaBean and FluffBean. Come on, let's scoop them. Oh, it broke. Dang it! Okay, FluffBean, LlamaBean. They both like it. Okay, now let's eat. Let's scoop. Let's scoop half of it. So gently scoop it. My dad and my guests are singing right now. Can you hear that? Now let's bite the Kinder Surprise. There we go. Oh my gosh, guys, I haven't had this in so long. LlamaBean. Drag her here so you can see her eat. FluffBean. LlamaBean liked it. She passed out. Let's split. Okay, guys, if you like this video, share this with your friends. And remember, what goes around comes around. And as what the llamas would like to say, you get that? They said, peace out. So guys, I'll see you soon. Peace out.